Now I am continuing from the previous one. The global matrix for the system is here. I already told you that if there are 4 nodes, then the global matrix is we will obtain of 4 cross 4. So draw a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now first, for the first element, it started from the 1. It started from 1 cross 1, 1, 1 to 2, 2. So put the value here 100, 100 minus 100, 100. And for the element number 2, it started from the 2, 2 and ending at 3, 3. 3 cross 3. What you are, if you are having any confusion, it is 3, third row, third column from here. Okay, don't be confused, don't get confused in this. So it 2, 2. So now it started from 2, that is magnitude is 200 plus 200 minus 200 minus 200 plus 200. Okay, another one is started from the 3, 3 and it is ending at 3, 3. Okay, plus 100 minus 100 minus 100, 100. Okay, now we obtain a global matrix of 100 minus 100, 0, 0, 100, 300 minus 200, 0, 0 minus 200, 300 minus 100, 0, 0 minus 100 and 100. Now the equation of system is, it is in the form of k into ma cross dot is equals to p. This is the product of, this is p force, it is the product of what? Stiffness matrix k into cross and dot nu. U means displacement. So now our k is 100 minus 100, 0, 0 minus 100, 300 minus 200, 0, 300 minus 100 minus 100, 100, 3 and no minus 200 and 0, 0, 0. Now let me show you one thing. First of all, let us assume that the for node 1 there is displacement u1, and for 2 u2, for 3 u3 and for 4 node 4 u4. Now write displacement, it is vector, so denote it by curly bracket u1, u2, u3, u4. Some of the book it is represented by the this big bracket also, and some of the book this is represented by curly bracket. So I am going to represent it curly bracket. And for each node, let we are assuming that the force is F1, F2, F3. For node, for element 1 F1, for element F2, for element F3, for node F1, F2, F3, F4. Okay, not element, it is node. So now as you can see from here, this is rigidly supported. It means there is no any displacement will occur. So u1 and u4 will become 0, and the force at node 3 is P, that is 500 Newton, and node at 2 is 0. There is no given any force. So u1, right, u1 is equals to u4 is equals to 0, and F1 is equals to R1 because it is resistance force, it is resisting, and F4 is equals to R4, and the F2 F2 is equals to 0. As already I told you, F2 is equals to, there is no force in the node 2, and F3 is equals to P is equals to 500 Newton. So now the given equation becomes, this equation becomes from the equation 1, from equation 1. And another one thing is, I'm going to make it short, because now if for the simplicity there is one property that if u1 and u4 are 0, u1 is equals to 0, then its corresponding u1 means first row and first column will be eliminated from the stiffness matrix and from the here also. For this one, this is in first row and this is in first column, so it will be eliminated. And as well as u4 is also 0, so fourth column and fourth row will also become eliminated from here, and we get only this one. So eliminating corresponding row and column, we get what we get. Again I am showing that if u1 is equals to 0, why is u1 is equals to 0? If it is rigidly fixed, there is no displacement, that's why it is 0. So you are going to eliminate the corresponding row and column. Corresponding row and column means u1 is equals to 0, u1 will cut from here and u1 is equals to here, and for u4 also 0, so it will cut here and from here. Okay, there is no problem. So now after finally eliminating this, we'll get these two corresponds to matrix. Okay, there is no problem. It is 300 minus 200. What is minus 200? 300. Okay, and then we only have u2 u3, and we have only, this is also eliminated, so we have only f2 f3. Okay, f2 is equals to 0, we already mentioned here, and f3 is equals to P is equals to, is magnitude is 500 Newton. So equation number 2, by here we can get 300 u1 minus 200 u2 u3 is equals to 0. Equation number 3, minus 200 u2 plus 300 u3 is equals to 500. As of for up to now, you will understand. I hope you understand. Okay, now for this problem, this type of problem, you can do it by solving equation 3rd and 4th. We get this long way, and we can use the calculator also, scientific calculator, this type of Casio scientific calculator. First of all, press mode and press 3. 3 means stack, not press 3. There are 5 options here, you can see it here. 1 computational, complex, statics, base, and in fifth number there is equation. Press 5th, and we are dealing with a linear equation, so it is represented by the first one. So press first one and just put the coefficient value. 300 minus 200 0 and minus 200 plus 300 plus 500. Okay, then press here. You will get x is equals to x is equals to, you have to give this what is this in multiplication with this coefficient. u2 is equals to, after solving equation 3rd and 4th, we get u2 is equals to 2 and u3 is equals to 3. It is in mm. Okay, no problem. It must not be come in mm here. Okay, its unit must be mm. So now we get the value of u2 and u3. It is of 3 mm, 2 and 3 mm. Now we have to calculate the at the rigid support. There must be a resistance force. So to calculate reaction force at node 1 and 4 is you have to go the first equation here. From the first equation, what is this? This is the first. You have to multiply it. I'm assuming that you know the matrix multiplication. First of all, multiply this one, multiply this one, multiply this one. This first one multiply this one, this second one multiply this one, and we'll add it. So now from equation 1 you are going to 100 u1 plus bracket this like this, 100 u1 plus minus 100 u2 plus 0 is equals to what? F1 means it is R1. Now 100 u1 minus 100 u2 is equals to R1. R1 is equals to u1 is equals to 0. We already written here. So it is 0 become 0 minus 100 into u2 equal to 2. It is minus 200 Newton. Value of R1 is equals to minus 200 Newton. For resistance force at node 4. Similarly go to this one and similarly 4. Multiply the 4 column by this displacement equation. You will get 0 plus 0 minus 100 u3 plus 100 u4. 100 u4 is equals to R4. Okay, till now there is no problem. u3 minus 100 into u3 is equals to 3 plus my u4 is equals to 0, so it will become 0. As we know that u4 is equals to 0, R4 is equals to minus 300 Newton. So this is the answer and how to solve it. Thank you very much. If you like this video, then please let me know by subscribing. Okay, I hope you will subscribe my channel and give me some feedback how to improve and what type of problem you want in your while facing some of that problem. Then please let me know, you guys. Thank you all.